what Cherokee does on their pregame. Keep coming. Come on. And right there.
I actually don't even know if my bass guitar made it into the...
We're the most famous band of all time.
Haha. What?
Not even close.
Oh, my bad.
Fuck.
See, you have to tear it up. These corn nuts. It's like dry pasta.
Shoot me right in the fucking face.
Oh, yeah, good boy. Can I get a hiya?
No.
Somewhere.
Very heavy moment. This is the time before we play.
Where's Bailey Davis?
No, stop. I was kidding. No. You know, every time you turn the camera away, I'm having like a panic attack and hyperventilating. When you turn it back, I like stack natural. Knowing what your cousin smells like of clothes.
Bitch, I said what I said.
Who told you to film me while I was eating, dude? Go away. What's up? I'm here with this group of young adults. Which band are you guys most excited to see tonight? Answer at the same time. 3, 2, 1. Who are you most excited to see tonight?
We're excited to see Autumnal, but the rest of everyone else.
Autumnal?
The girl band, Autumnal.
Yeah, for sure.
Slaps.
Whatever.
Probably the Slaps. Definitely excited to see the Slaps tonight. You know it.
The slaps.
Hi, I'm Alex. I'm here with
Trista.
Trista. Which band are you most excited to see tonight?
Cherokee Social, of course.
Liar.
Finally.
Lies.
You heard it here first. We don't
I would
allow
never
ourselves to
lie.
take any
I would
W's.
never lie.
Pick the fuck out of my way, boy. I was waiting to do that, honestly. Here we go, fuck on. Dude, y'all scare me. Let me fucking
We're in Buc-ee's right now.
Buc-ee's. So stoked for this. Waxed floor.
We did it.